So today I'm talking about a Ford with the P144C code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. And so what is a Ford P144C code? Well, it's an evaporative emission system purge check valve performance. And what does this mean? Well, modern vehicles have what's called an evap system, which basically takes all the gas vapors from the gas tank and feeds them back up to the engine to get burnt off. And the onboard computer's seen a problem with this, so it's going to have to be troubleshooted to know why. And it can vary a little bit on the layout of how the evap system's working on a particular vehicle, depending on the year and things like this. But the basics of what's going on is that the gas vapor is going to leave the gas tank. They're going to go up through a hose. They're going to go to what's called a vapor charcoal canister. And this basically holds the gas vapors when the engine's not running. And right around the charcoal canister, there's going to be what's called a vent valve. And the onboard computer uses that to do tests on the system and things like this and make sure everything's working correctly. And then a hose is going to leave the charcoal canister. It's going to go up to the top of the engine to what's called a vapor purge valve solenoid. And this basically opens when the engine's running so all the gas vapors can go in and get burnt off. And then it closes when the engine's not running so they don't escape. And there's a sensor called the fuel tank pressure sensor that monitors everything that's going on inside of the system and reports back to the onboard computer. And so the first thing to go and check when you get this code is to go check out the gas cap and be sure that it looks like it's good, that it's not cracked or anything like this. Basically make sure it's sealing, otherwise it can cause issues because the gas cap is a part of the evap system and it needs to seal correctly or else it can cause a leak inside of the system. And this also includes the newer systems that don't have a gas cap, the easy fuel systems. Just basically go check it out and be sure it looks like it's sealing up, that it's not stuck open or anything like this, because if that's leaking then it can cause problems. And so if the gas cap looks good, then a very common problem with the P144C code is that the vapor purge valve solenoid has gone bad. And this is located up on top of the engine somewhere. It can really vary on its exact location. It's going to depend on the year, the make, and things like this. For example, here's a 2013 Ford Focus, and it's located off to the right here. It has two hoses going to it and a wiring harness. Sometimes they're located directly on the engine, and they'll have one port bolted onto the engine, and they'll have one port for a hose and electrical connection. But wherever it's located, first thing to do is to go locate this purge valve on your particular Ford. And then the next thing to do is to either test it or replace it. You can test it if you want to. I made a video on how you go about testing a purge valve. I'll put a link down below if you want to check that out. When you are checking out the purge valve, be sure to check out the hoses going back into the engine. Sometimes there could be just one hose going into the engine, but then sometimes there could be multiple hoses connected to the purge valve and going into the intake. And if any of these hoses are leaking, then it can cause an issue. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. And so if you check out that purge valve and it tests good or you replace it and you still can't get this code to clear, then the next thing to do is go check out this charcoal canister and this vent valve. This is usually located up underneath the vehicle by the gas tank somewhere, and it'll have like 2 or 3 hoses going to it. And usually the vent valve is located on the charcoal canister, although they can be separate sometimes, but usually the vent valve is located on the charcoal canister. But basically go and check it out. Be sure everything looks like it's good, that there's no damage or anything like that. There's no leaks. You can do some different tests on it if you want to, on the vent valve and different things like this. But the next thing to do is to go check out that charcoal canister and be sure there's no damage or anything going on with it. And so if you checked out the gas cap, that's good. The purge valve is good. You checked out that charcoal canister and vent valve, that all looks good. Then it's very possible that there's a leak going on somewhere inside of the system on one of these hoses, or the fuel tank pressure sensor has failed. But a very common problem is that there's a leak going on inside of somewhere inside the system. And so if you took it to a mechanic, what they would do is they'd use a smoke machine and they'd feed smoke into the evap system, and wherever the smoke came out, they would know where the leak's at and they'd be able to patch it. And this is a very good method for trying to find an evap leak. You can try to go around all those hoses and try to spot it. Sometimes there can be an obvious crack or broken off hose or something like that going on, but other times it can be harder to spot and you almost need a smoke machine in order to find the leak. There is some low-cost smoke machines on like Amazon or eBay. I'll put a link down below if you need one. But the next thing to go and do is to go around all these hoses and see if you can't find a leak going on anywhere, because that's a very common problem with the evap system, is that one of those hoses or components start to leak. And if that all checks out good and you're still having this issue and that code still won't clear, then the last thing inside the system to check is going to be that fuel tank pressure sensor. And the fuel tank pressure sensor can be located differently. Sometimes they're on top of the gas tank, sometimes they're on the fuel pump itself, and then sometimes they're on the hose going to the fuel pump. But there's going to be a fuel tank pressure sensor located somewhere inside the system, and this basically reports back to the onboard computer what's going on inside the system. So if this fails, then there might not be a problem inside the evap system, but the onboard computer thinks there is since the sensor has failed. So the next thing to go and check is going to be that fuel tank pressure sensor. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a Ford with the P144C code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.